Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue with the tour of the Canary Island of Tenerife, and we're going to see the lovely village of San Andres. We are in the municipality of Santa Cruz de Tenerife, so near the capital city, as you can see on the map. And we're also going to see the beautiful Playa de las Teresitas, which looks like a Caribbean beach. So stay tuned and let's go vlogging together. San Andres is located on the coast, at the foot of the Anaga Mountains, 7 kilometers northeast of the capital city Santa Cruz de Tenerife. It is one of the oldest villages of the Canary Islands and was founded around 1497. We have arrived, people, and look at what we have behind us already. Mountains, the village, and this view. Alright, let's start the tour. We're going to walk down there. Now, as a surprise, as I started walking, I could see this graffiti on the rocks about famous people throughout history. There were portraits of voyagers, painters, writers, and so on. And there was also the one about Saint Andrew, which is the English for San Andres, to whom the main church of the place was dedicated to. So we have the ocean here, and I just noticed that some people are lying there, and as you can see, there are the steps to get into the water. We're going to go to another beach, guys. I'll show you later on though. So that is the village, guys, in front of us, and look at all the houses like going up the mountain. How cool. It's really picturesque, isn't it? Okay guys, so as you can see, we are going to see the castle of San Andres and the beach where we're going to go later on. Now that is the entrance to go to the beach, guys. I don't know if this is some kind of like influence spot, if you know what I mean, where you take a few pictures and you post them on Instagram. I don't know. So that's the castle, guys, and it looks quite normal, some kind of like very low tower. But if you go that way, on the other side, guys, this is the castle, and it's broken. How much better is that, actually? I mean, at least it's more interesting that you can kind of see what's inside. Well, there's nothing, but it's better than to see just the round thing, right? So before actually going to the beach, guys, I just wanted to go around the little streets of this village. Let's go and have a look. Alright guys, we are now going to the beach, finally. By the way, guys, if you have a car and you can follow the street there, we're going to go up there where you can have a beautiful view, and you can also go to Playa de las Gaviotas. Now, we're not going there today, guys, because I do not have a car, but I went there, I don't know, maybe a month ago with a friend, so I'm gonna insert a clip here so that you can see the view of Playa de las Teresitas from top, which is very beautiful. Okay guys, we're now going to walk in the sand, so I took my shoes off. And look at that, I cannot wait to go to the beach. How beautiful, guys. We can walk along there. There are palms. You can rent the beach umbrella and the bed lounge if you want, or you can just stay behind a palm. Very nice. Oh, fuck. I know this is the 1000th time I've said this, but don't you like the contrast between the mountain all around us and the beach underneath it? I love it. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. By the way guys, the bus stops just right there, just behind the beach, and there is also a big parking lot, so if you come by car you can park here and get straight to the beach, so that's nice. Even the pigeons are sunbathing. It's not that, guys, it's not that. Now the beach is very big, guys. You can go up to there, but I think I'm just gonna straight right there, so I have a bit of shadow if I need to, and the sun as well. By the way guys, sand here, as you can see around me, is not the original one.
In the past, the area of the beach consisted mostly of stone and rocks, with a small strip of black sand. The beach is around 1.3 kilometers long, and at the time, buying black local sand was too expensive due to its scarcity, so it was imported from the western Sahara Desert. In 1971, the city council purchased 150,000 cubic meters of white sand, which is here today in this beautiful beach.
Alright, it's time to get into the water. So this is what we have from the other side, guys. Look at how beautiful. And that's San Andres again. I forgot to bring my sunscreen with me, guys, so hopefully I won't get burnt. Fingers crossed. Anyway, there's no wind, just a little wind actually here, which is very great, because last time I was here there was a strong wind and it was a bit annoying because the sand would fly off into your face and that wasn't nice. So that's a very good day today. It's time to go, people. There's even a little cemetery behind the beach. Interesting.